Hello, welcome to Chapter 7, Small Business Strategies, Imitation with a Twist. So in here, we're going to describe the decisions needed to establish a foundation for strategic planning, identify the forms of innovative businesses, articulate the benefits that win over customers, assess how industry changes affect strategy, explain the major strategies of business, differentiation, cost, and focus, and determine how to sustain competitive advantage through attracting customers and discouraging competition. Strategy is the idea that actions that explain how the firm will make its profit. Strategic planning for small business is a four-step process. We consider the rewards you seek from your business when crafting and evaluating strategies. Choose whether your firm will focus on a mass or niche scale and a scope ranging from local to global. Imitation is the classic strategy of small businesses. An imitative approach lets you build on existing products, services, and markets. An innovative approach lets you build a business in your own unique way. Industry focuses on competing firms. Marketing focuses on your customers. So there's a big difference right there. Benefits are desirable characteristics of a product or service. They can target value such as quality or style as well as cost. Situations and benefits can help clarify entry wedges that can offer exceptional profits. A successful startup depends on knowing the industry stage. Access to support depends on the industry's performance trend. An industry analysis combines trend, stage, and profit data to assess the firm's chances in a particular industry at a particular time. There are three generic business strategies: differentiation, cost, and focus. Most small businesses use a focus strategy targeting a niche by combining cost or differentiation approaches, like Bath & Body. Particular combinations of benefits are called supra strategies. A competitive advantage is your firm's edge in meeting and beating the competition. Operating businesses deal with competition through a combination of strategic actions and tactical actions. So, small business strategies with marketing is so interesting when you add this marketing aspect. Marketing has the 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion, but the promotion can be divvied out into many facets. So when you start adding marketing into the small business facet, it becomes extremely, very, very, very appealing. Therefore, you want to make sure that you add somebody that has marketing expertise in your company when you are starting it up or when you are trying to launch a new product.